If you're trying to bring back a town, there are certain things you have to hit. One thing that every town needs is a space where they can come together and celebrate events. For Wetumpka, one of those places is the Jeanette Barrett Civic Room.
This is the only event space in the whole town, and no one is using it.
The last time I was in there, it's been several years. Old and outdated is pretty much all I can remember.
The Civic Room has always been a place where you could host celebrations and meetings and parties. Half the town is reluctant to use the space, and I think the other half of the town doesn't even know it exists. We need to bring the Civic Room back to life so that the city can host events there again. And because the city owns the event space, it's also a really great source of revenue.
Oh my goodness! Oh me, this being in here. Oh my goodness.
How are y'all?
We are wonderful. We're real wonderful. So nice to meet you.
So nice to meet you.
You too.
Your mom, Mayor Barrett, first female mayor of Wetumpka.
Yeah, she loved the town. She really did.
Wonder what she would think about us being here.
Oh, she would
would
be.
love y'all.
She would love you. She would be hugging your neck and loving you.
I like to think she's here among us.
Do you think she'd be happy to know we're gonna renovate this place?
My mama would be so excited. I loved it too. You know, I remember as a little girl walking.
They're gonna renovate it, Mama.
Yeah.
They're gonna renovate it.
Oh, that is wonderful. I didn't hear that.
So we actually saw some pictures of this space before coming here, but you weren't kidding. It's dark.
It's just very dark and dreary.
If the ceiling and the walls and the floor are all the same color.
It's not, yeah. When you come in, you feel kind of closed in.
Yeah. The fluorescent lighting is not helping.
No.
I think if we paint all the walls a cream color, and then the floors, keep them with all their natural character, new pendant lighting so you can actually see.
If we could brighten it up a little bit, then it would make it more inviting. People would want to come there and hang out even more.
This is amazing.
This is
Still
a
beautiful
little courtyard area that you can't really
There's nothing to come out here to.
No.
Imagine if we could make this feel connected to this. You walk out of those doors, out onto this new patio. Something that makes people want to come here.
I'm going to build a custom trellis bench with pergola, which with all the new landscaping is going to make this place back here feel like an oasis for event goers.
Okay.
That would be so pretty.
And then the exterior, we need a dramatic new paint color.
Oh, yeah.
I think we paint this building a deep, dark navy and cream writing, big mural signage that says the Jeanette Barrett Civic Room and something that's elegant.
I think it sounds great. This just means so much to our family, but it will mean so much to the city of Wetumpka.
Well, if y'all are good with it, we're going to tear it up.
Get started.
This is what progress sounds like. Every town needs places like this where they can get together, they can celebrate milestone events, retirement party, birthday party, bridal shower. Community is a bunch of individuals celebrating their moments together. And a huge bonus is that because the city owns the Civic Room, doing this renovation will give a boost to their economy. But it also preserves the legacy of Wetumpka's first female mayor.
Tara and Blake are a sweet young couple who just got engaged.
I'm so excited to marry Blake. He's my best friend.
I'm very excited to marry Tara. She still gets me butterflies, so.
You're looking for a place to have a bridal shower.
I'm a little skeptical about the Civic Room.
It's not really
rough.
your taste,
No.
I would say.
We are gonna snatch them up and show them the amazing future of the Jeanette Barrett Civic Room. And they're gonna wanna have their bridal shower there. You know, it looks rough, but you know that, you've seen it. It's gonna be great. Once it's painted and the river is more of a thing, and it's like an elegant party space outside too, it'll just be a really perfect place.
I'm just saying, I want to have my bridal shower here.
I have an amazing local artist, Annie Sparrow, coming to paint the sign on the Civic Room. So now no one will drive by this building without noticing it, especially the guests for Tara's bridal shower, which is right around the corner.
The Jeanette Barrett Civic Room, it'll be really great for the town and the community. If Ben and Erin say they can do something with it, we gotta
trust them fully, so.
We gotta give it a shot.
Since Tara and Blake are taking a chance on us and they're gonna have their shower at an event space that does not yet really even exist, I wanna surprise Tara with a wedding dress. I'm calling Randy Fenoli from Say Yes to the Dress.
Are you saying yes to the dress?
I'm saying yes to the dress!
You have your bridal shower at the Jeanette Barrett Civic Room?
You never know what kind of bonuses you'll get.
Oh my gosh, you're real.
You're making good progress. Here I am in Wetumpka, Alabama. I actually grew up in the country. There was no town. Ben and Erin called Tara the bride and told her to come here today so she could see the event space. Hello, beautiful.
My goodness, hi.
But what she doesn't know is that I'm gonna be here and I'm gonna help her find her wedding dress.
Randy?
Yes. Did you know I was gonna be here?
No. I'm so excited. Like, I'm just.
What did Ben and Erin tell you?
I thought this was just gonna be like, check out the space and see what it's gonna be like, but this is even better.
Do you know why I'm here?
Are you gonna help me find a dress?
Yes.
You can help me say yes to the dress?
Yes, we're gonna go dress shopping.
It's a moment that I've been imagining since I was a little girl. It's finally about to happen. It's emotional for me.
Tara's gonna bring her entourage, which includes her mother, her grandmother, and her little sister.
Oh my gosh.
Well, hello, beautiful ladies.
Oh my goodness.
Welcome. I had my dresses shipped here. If I don't find Tara a dress, then the whole town's gonna hear about it. So the pressure's on.
These dresses that Randy has brought here just for me, they're so gorgeous, and I just can't wait to try them on.
Oh my.
First reaction, what are you thinking?
I'm thinking that it's gorgeous, and I love the sparkles.
I don't know about this right here.
Can't picture her wearing that.
A little too revealing?
Yeah, it is.
I would have to say that probably my toughest customer here today is Grandma Tony.
Oh my. Oh, this is beautiful.
And I love the back, like you could see so much of my back.
Yeah, it's a low back, yeah.
So far, that's our favorite.
Yes.
You ready to try on the next one?
Yes, I'm so ready for the next one.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I see princess.
Yes.
I love this. I feel like this is right. This is perfect.
You're so pretty. Stop.
Tony, what do you think?
I don't like it. I didn't
Did
finish.
you see this?
I didn't finish. I don't like it.
I love it!
Oh! Okay.
I love it!
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, that is so perfect.
Oh, I love it.
I love it so much. Ooh. Stop.
Tara,
Yes, Randy.
are you saying yes to the dress?
Yes, I'm saying yes.
I love what I do, and it's so nice that they allowed me to be a part of their family today.
Hey! Good to see you.
What's up?
We have a little situation.
Oh, gosh.
They love it!
All right.
There's been an Erin. Oh, hey. Well, hello there.
Good morning!
Good morning. Oh, it's just
it
beautiful.
looks amazing.
Oh my goodness. It's absolutely incredible. Can we go on in?
Yeah.
Let's
Come
go.
on.
Hey, let's go.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Look at this. It's so pretty. I think I want to live here.
I wish I could just live here too. And that's what we wanted. We wanted it to feel like a house.
Yes, well, it definitely does.
I'm speechless.
Oh my goodness, look at everything. Look at the lights. Look at there. Catherine, isn't that beautiful?
That is beautiful.
Having the kitchen in this contrasting deep green color that really feels a part of this
It
natural
does.
color palette.
The natural color palette.
This is my favorite part over here, okay, of the whole thing. I mean, before there were windows here, but
Yes.
you couldn't see out because of the giant boxwoods and they were small windows. So having this all open totally changes the room.
When you're in here, the outside feels like it's part of the inside.
And this is the best part about these doors.
Oh my goodness, Catherine, look at this.
It's just like it's a part of the inside.
I mean,
It is gorgeous.
you've outdone yourself. This is absolutely amazing.
This space is going to be such a drawing for the community. It really warms my heart that there is a room here with her name that welcomes people from Wetumpka to come and celebrate events in their life. That's my mama.
It reflects who she was and what her legacy is as a person. It's a point of pride for our community.
Today's the day for the Civic Room to host Tara's bridal shower. She'll finally reveal her new dress to her family and friends.
Oh, this is beautiful.
You write something down, and then you put it in the box. Isn't that nice?
I mean, honestly, it doesn't even look like the same place. It's so bright and beautiful. Wetumpka really needed a great space like this. I never would have imagined having a bridal shower here when I first saw it, but this space is truly so perfect.
Yes! You look like a princess.
Thank you.
Restoring the Civic Room was super important, I think, and for us, a goal was to find an event space that people didn't even really know existed anymore.
Yeah, but now everybody knows about the Jeanette Barrett Civic Room. They're going to be booking all of their parties. There's going to be a wait list.